Meitei ke ni kat tupia. Pai bong pek. Tong mama manu ba ai. Ai maya me yang birthday Christmas. Hatu sini aku bener. Menyetok mama bi maya. Sisa. Ban teriak maya me me. Maya le cakap angel sah.
Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki Pynrem Meitei na Gajala Manipur ki besang basa hanang ba Shillong kila Penlong na Jingshah klain mongor hadan Bosco Square la imkra Shillong ban persya ki Jingshah Pynïap jong ki Arngut ki Khynnah haga Shillong Tronglaobi awang Meitei Bishnupur District Manipur kablaja haga nyotru uyayong arhajar arhunriu ka President jong Manipur Elders Consortium Shillong ka TS Laima haga Jingshah kran bat kilar pathai kubor kalau orang berjing perlong hikan gajingnya ki bajai-jai kalau shibenta ban pen pau gajing sngolem yaki Arngut gi Khynnah bad de kalong yeng kabla kala sok pudung hagan gajing jia bad ban kerpa di sorkar bakan thwet bad ban kemar dor yaki brio ki badan keti
sit in protest against to condemn the act of killing two innocent children in the recent attack that happened in Manipur on the 7th of April 2026. So we are organizing this sit-in protest to show our solidarity with the victims, with the family of the victims, and to appeal to the government to take swift action and bring those people who have committed the crime to justice. This is a very sad incident, this Manipur violence, and it is an eye-opener for us and for the rest of the country that the illegal immigrants are the cause of such type of incident that has happened, and the nation should learn that if we do not control the illegal immigrants, then there is no guarantee that such things can not also happen in other parts of the country.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ika Shillong nongi kwayo snow bahana ka Shillong de lakot kalayat dikila pen snow hina Shillong ki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project ki don menta hang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kanungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni hakajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, ka Shillong tangkata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi Arngut ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung project. Day ban sutu bakla. Habang warra yaki investment. Habang warra yaki bakum kini ki project. Net yang nga opi kabakadu ka jingmantoy. Kanlong yangi ki konsama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.